Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. Because we have this one like this, we need to find about complementary solution and particular solution. So for the first one, I will put about yc equals to e to the power of lambda s. So if we do first the derivative of this one, we have lambda e to the power of lambda s. So when we do first the derivative of this one, we keep the same e to the power of lambda s. Later that we do first the derivative of lambda s, you got lambda. And now we go to second derivative of this one, and we have lambda square e to the power of lambda s. Because this is about complementary solutions, so this one in here equals to number 0. So this one I will put in here, this one I will put in here, and the last one will go in here. So we have e to the power of lambda s. We can do about factorization. So I will put this one, and we need to concentrate about this one only. And I will put this one, and we need to find the solution of this equation. So if we find the solution of this one, we have lambda equals to negative number 2 and lambda equals to negative number 3. So that means we have yc equals to c number 1 e to the power of lambda s. We need to change lambda into negative number 2. And we have c number 2, that is about the constant number 2 e to the power of negative 3s. Now let's go to particular solution. So we see that we have 10 cosx s. Because we have cosx s, that means I will put about yb equals to a cosx s plus b sin s. Next, we do first the derivative of yb. So we have negative a sin s plus b cosine s. Next, we go to second derivative of yb. So this one we have cosine s. This one we have negative b sin s. Now we have this one. So I will put this one go in here. This one go in here. And this one go in here. So we have like this. Now, we need to simplify based on the terms of cosine x and sine x. About cosine x, so we have negative a, I will put in here. 5 with b, I will put 5b in here. 6 with a, we put 6a cone here. Now let's go to sine x. For sine x, we have negative b. So we put this one cone here. 5 with negative a, we have negative 5a. This one, we have 6 with b. And now we can simplify. 6a minus a, we have 5a. And this one, we have 5b. So 6b with b, we have 5b. This one, we have negative 5a. And we have sine x. And we know that we have 10 cosine x. So we put 10 cosine x cone here. So this one, we can see that we don't have sine x, so 5b minus 5a equals to number 0. This one, 5a plus 5b, we have cosine x, and this one equals to number 10. So 5a plus 5b equals to number 10 in here. So we can find the value of a and b. So a equals to number 1, b equals to number 1. So after we have a and b in here, we put this one cone here and here. So yb in here, that is about sine x plus cosine x. So after we have yc and yb, we can get the final answer, that's about y equals to yc plus yb. So yc, we just have this one in here. And yb, that is about this one in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.